Alright guys, as y'all can see, I'm installing our Fiveninefab drive shaft loop. It comes with really nice blocking hardware. It fits with the skid plate on. It comes with hardware because a bunch of trucks these age don't have this. I'm actually working on my 98 12 valve. I have one for my 3rd gen I got to put on. But as you can see, it's super easy and quick to install. I mean, 2 bolts right there, 2 bolts right there, 10 minutes, it's in. And the reason I have this is, which on the 2nd gens, this drive shaft spins freely. But on 3rd gens, if you're moving, your drive shaft is spinning. And if you're up north during the winter, you're always pretty much locked in 4-wheel drive. But the reason is, these accordions, or however you pronounce these joints, see, mine's tight. Mine don't move at all. It's good and tight. Where if you're using it a lot, or if it's old and wore out, these joints will come apart. And as you're driving down, or if you're in 4-wheel drive with the front end locked in, this drive shaft, it'll break right there and just start going everywhere. It'll crack the transmission housing, eat the fuel lines, eat wiring harness and everything else. So I had mine powder coated. The quality is absolutely 150%. I mean, the fab work of these, they fit. I mean, they fit. There's no trying to get these to match up. They go right in. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I mean, transmission $6 grand, transfer cases $1,000. You're spending 150 bucks ish. I think they're 130, 140. Invest in that. I mean, it's cheap security. So 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10 I mean, 10 minutes basic hand tools, you're done. So highly recommend this. And please like and subscribe for more of this content. And thank you, Fiveninefab, for the awesome product. I did buy this one, but it doesn't matter because it's worth the shout out to the guy. Fiveninefab on Instagram, Fiveninefab on the internet. Search it, find it, order it, install it. 10 out of 10.